What's going on, guys? Jet Games, whatever, Jarrett. Hopefully you guys like this. This is an unboxing video. I kind of want to start doing more car videos since I got a really nice car. I hate my teeth. Oh. I got a 2016 Subaru WRX STI. I've been loving cars since all my life, ever since the Fast and Furious, because that's my favorite movie, movie. So yeah, here I got the Legends Media box, so let's get started. Alright, so here we have it. I have my knife, my nice little ceramic CSGO nerd, yeah. And then I also got my windshield banner yesterday. I had to go to the office of my apartments for my box today. I just barely went. Kind of hot outside, so I'm sweating like a real nerd. So before anybody asks, our floor is a mess because our dog likes to rip up stuffed animals, and yeah, so here we go. Here's this. You guys can probably see it right there if you guys know who he is. Cool, he's a pretty good YouTuber. I like his builds and everything, so let's get started.
Zeus.
Move out of the way. Zeus, I'm gonna cut your face. Go. Alright. Box is open. Oh, sick. I was hoping they'd give me I got a Legends Media new snapback hat, a Legends Media lanyard that I'll probably end up putting on. This is the old one too. Pop socket. I was actually gonna order one of these. This is for the front of my car. It's a toe strap, but I'm not gonna need any tone. Come on now. Oh yeah, pop socket. I don't know if I'll use that. A new wallet. Probably need that too anyway. And then I thought there's. Oh yeah, there's. I got a notebook. I guess. Okay, cool. And then last but not least, this is probably gonna be a fast video. I'm sorry. It's a shirt. That's pretty dope. Boom. And I am a large, so awesome. So that's what's in it. I got shirt, the hat, pop socket, toe strap that I'm most definitely going to put on probably today when I put my banner on, wherever it went. Lanyard that I'll use, lanyard, and wallet,
You open the
and then a
banner?
notebook. So, Zeus! Sorry, our puppy's being crazy right now. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Zeus, come here. Come here. Yes. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, of course, always subscribe. Let me know what you guys want. If you want some videos with my car, driving, more vlogs like this, let me know. Please subscribe. I'm almost at 40. I know it's not a lot, but it's been a while since I got from, one or two or just family. So please go like my recent videos, watch them, and let me know in the comments. Peace out.
Can you dig in?